What's up, everybody? Happy Flamingo Friday. Welcome to part 4 of this awesome pool project we have. We've got fire pit, more landscaping, caps, edging, lots of good stuff. Matt, Tim, let's go. Steps look good, man.
Yeah, I do.
Killed it. Yes, we've got 4 steps, landing, step landing, step landing. It's going to create a really nice transition from the pool area to the garage, from the garage to the pool. Maybe some areas for parkour. Parkour.
Parkour, parkour.
Parkour. Can you do a parkour?
I can't do parkour.
Okay. That was going to be really good stuff. But yeah.
The excavation was weird though, wasn't it? Having the sand that went up with the clay right in the middle of it all.
Yeah, so we have some really interesting elevation changes here. We've got a high area, we've got a really low area. So we either have to make it high here, low there. We got to, meet in the middle somewhere. So we've got a little boulder retainment on the edge there. We'll have to add some retainment along this side as well. And it's going to make a complete job. Everything's done, turnkey, landscaping, steps.
I'm excited to see it with the pavers though, man.
Heck yeah, dude. We're gonna run some blue 66x13 in a linear pattern, squadra border. Continue down below with the big Ocean Grande slab. This is gonna be a really nice, different change up here, but kind of keep it all the same as we continue down.
Rock and roll.
All right, we've got our landings done up top. Decided to go with a smaller paver for the sidewalk. Just because it's a smaller area, didn't want to put the large slabs up here, so we went with the blue 6x13. It's the same paver we use as the banding on the large patio. So we had a couple days of rain. Didn't have the camera on, didn't get much footage, but we got this done in the past couple of days. I think it's going to tie in really nice with what we have down below. So maybe come up here, kind of show you what we got. And then turn around and show them the goodness. Oh, yeah. So nice. Alright, so we have our fire pit going with this nice concrete bowl. Let's give it a really nice modern touch to the modern space that we already have. It's kind of got some cool blue. It's going to match actually the coping of our pool and the caps of our wall. It's going to be a nice accent piece over here. So it's about 3.5 feet wide. We've got a nice warming trans burner. It's gonna pump out 250k BTU. It's freaking hot. It's gonna be a nice fire. Some nice smooth lava stone. We're gonna put this bad boy on top of the pipe here. Get it heated up, baby. This is the greatest show. All right, we got this beast in, about 400 pounds. We had to rig up some sort of straps to haul this guy in, but we got it in. And now we've got our key valve, which is going to be placed on the back side, and that way we can be hidden. Homeowners can use a key to turn on and off the gas. We've got a plate that will stick on. It's going to sit on this ledge, then smooth lava stone, and then a massive burner. Got our pipe ran. Our plumber will be here in a couple of days to do his connection, and ready for a fire here soon.
You know, boss, I'm just looking at this, and my cousin Jethro does it differently.
Of course he does.
Takes PVC and runs it to this thing, and then he doesn't use the gas line. He just like connects it to kerosene and gives it a bigger flame, he says.
I like that.
Yeah.
Sounds really southern.
It's totally safe.
Safe? Yeah.
Oh, 100%.
Okay. We might do it this way here. All right. We have some 1-inch gas poly line. We'll do it the RCL way. RC outdoor way. You like that?
I like that.
All right.
So Matt, what are we getting ready to do?
Well, we're getting ready to miserably take this rock out and then replace it with mulch.
So you know, like red mulching is one of my massive pet peeves, right?
It's the best. So.
Matt, you're fired! Get out of here! So as you know, Matt's favorite mulch is red mulch, which is a massive no-no. Which is a huge no-no. We don't like red mulch. Red mulch is disgusting. I'm not a big fan of black mulch. I really like the chocolate, brown mulch, really dark, deep chocolate. Kind of tastes like little Hershey's in there. Pretty good. So, cut. All right, so back to the mulch. Before I swallow a little bit, it's really natural. Doesn't taste natural. I can't do it. All right, take 3. We love this brown mulch. It's just raining mulch. All right, take 4. It's getting mulchy out here. How are you coping with the mulch today? Get out of here. All right, take 5. We've been here a long time on this job site, and things are getting pretty crazy. Things are coming to the end. Things are coming to the end. It's landscaping, it's mulching day. We're getting these beds wrapped up, putting the lipstick on the pig. Is that the saying? Is that how it goes? Lipstick on the pig? Or maybe icing on the cake? Anyways, it's mulch day. Let's go! right, today is edging day, and we've got this Pave Tool hybrid edging they sent us to try out. So we'll be installing this on our current project. As you can see, I've got these little different holes and contraptions. We're doing an open graded base system. So we'll be using these spikes right here. They will go in like so. And that's gonna hold in our patio for our edge restraint. So we're gonna start here in a minute. We've never tried this before. They just sent this to us so we can try it out and see. We usually use a concrete product, Perma Edge, but me and Matt are gonna put this in and see how it goes in. Alright, it is coping day for caps. We're going to use the same caps, also called coping, we use for the pool. We're going to cap our graphics wall with that same material. It's really going to bring everything to life. We're going to bring that color to life on top of the wall. Everything's going to be rocking. So let's cut some caps, put it on the wall. Alright, so now we're going to cut our miter for our corners. As you can see, we've got a couple already cut down there. So what I like to do is get our measurement from there to there, and that's going to be the same angle we're going to cut. I've already got it marked there, almost 14 inches. So I'm going to mark a line. That's the same measurement. We'll use our level right on that mark. We're going to get right on the money over here in the corner. So we've got, let's measure real quick, see what we have. We're gonna be really close on coping. We know that wall is 16 feet. So 4 pieces plus 5 plus 6, we need 6 total, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
We have the one up there.
That's crazy. Just gotta make everything like money.
So boss, how are you coping with barely having enough?
We're barely having enough coping. How am I coping? Coping very well. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. Very nice. So where do whales go to hear music?
Well, Lororium, orchestra.
Where?
Orchestra.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Let's go.
Holy cow.
Don't
Totally didn't shoot either. Orca, you gotta sound it out, man. Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you're enjoying the content that Team RC Outdoors putting out. We're having a lot of fun doing this. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'd really enjoy your feedback. We'd love your input. Until next time, have a good weekend. See ya.